Good afternoon. Today I want to show you different ways of becoming a supervisor and qualifying for the 50% discount. This is where the marketing plan opens up to you and where you can start earning the maximum retail profit as well as the highest wholesale, plus you're eligible to start earning royalties. Okay, so there is 3 ways. And the one thing that you need to understand is what is volume points, because everything is determined by volume points. And this is basically the Herbalife currency. PPV is volume that is bought by yourself, for yourself and your clients. DLV is downline volume points. So that's the people that you recruit in your team. So the number 1 method is doing it in 1 month. This is 4,000 total volume points, of which 1,000 must be unencumbered. This is an important term to understand. This is not used by someone else for a qualification. That is what unencumbered means. So it could be you. You can do 500 points early in the month, and late in the month you do another 500 so that you have 1,000. And then you recruit a couple of members under you that does volume. So that these people's volumes could make up the other 3,000. So you could work hard in a month and do it in 1 month. Obviously, faster is always better than slower. You'll earn more wholesale. You'll earn a higher retail. So that's the way that we really want to recommend to people to try to go for. In 2 months, it's still 4,000 points. So it's always 4,000 points to get to supervisor. It's 4,000 over 2 months, where again, 1,000 must be unencumbered or unused. So let's say in month 1, you do your 500 for your own clients. You find 3 people that does 500 under you, and your month 1 is done. In your second month, you repeat the same process. You find your 3 guys that's working towards a scale, towards, just getting some customers. So now you have a total of 2,000 in month 1, 2,000 in month 2. Again, you are a supervisor over the 2 months. Then if you want to, you don't have time and you're really doing this part-time and you're eating your way there, or you just want to take, you don't have much time for the business, you can do it in anything from 1 to 12 months. So you can accumulate the volume points. Let's say 2,000 has got to be yours. So we always recommend everybody to go for 500 PPV. And now you repeat that for 4 months. So you've got 2,000, and then you start finding your babies that's under you, and they start working, helping customers, and they bring the other 2,000. So, okay, that's the 3 ways. Then the next way I want to show you where you can use the 1 and 2 month method with an organization, with a team. So the marketing plan says 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 people can ride together if they do it in 1 month, but the bottom person always has to show 4, so that the guy above him, number B, will have 5, and the guy above him will have 6. So in this case, all of them will go supervisor in a 1 month period. But that is a lot of volume for the bottom guy. So if you take the total amount of volume and you divide it by 3, it's 2,000 points each. And this is how we built our business initially. So everybody bought 1,000 points early in the month, did shake parties, worked like crazy. So you could either buy the stock, or you could go find the customers first and then really work hard to qualify, with 3 new people qualifying in a 1 month period. For me, this looks very doable. This is a 2 month qualification with finding some buddies. And as I said, it could be 2 people, it could be 3, it could be more than 3. The big thing is you want A to find B, to find his sister, number C. So it's always people, circle of influence, people you know, and you're looking for the serious, hungry guys that's going to work with you. So how it works is, again, you start with 500 because that is your 35% senior consultant. And you go and find your customers, you sell it off, It can, some of these little orders could also be from one or two of your other little members if you have recruited some people, but then you want to do again 500. It doesn't have to be PPV. It just must be unencumbered, unused, as you guys know what the term now means. So now each one goes and does a 500, and then right at month end, they do 1,500. They each do another 500. And now the bottom number is 2, 2.5, 3. So you need a total of 3,000 points in 1 month, in the first month. And in the second month, you're just going to repeat the process. Do 500, again 500, each of them. And then at the month end, you each do another 500 at the bottom person, 2,000, 2.5, 3,000, but this means over the 2 months, this guy's got 4,000, this one's got 5, this one's got 6, and we have 3 supervisors. This is really a method that can accelerate your team to grow a big supervisor organization really quickly. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go do this.